Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home security with a detailed review of the SimpliSafe 8-piece wireless home security system. We found this product online and have added the link in the description below, so you can easily check the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the SimpliSafe 8-piece wireless home security system? In essence, it's a comprehensive home security solution designed to keep your home safe and sound with minimal hassle. This system comes equipped with everything you need to get started right out of the box, including a base station, entry sensors, motion detectors, and a wireless keypad. The beauty of it all? There's no wiring or drilling required. Simply plug in the base station, download the SimpliSafe app, and you're ready to go. One of the standout features of the SimpliSafe system is its ease of setup. You can have your entire home secured in just a few minutes. If you need assistance, SimpliSafe also offers direct support to guide you through the installation process. Once set up, you can customize your system through the SimpliSafe app, allowing you to arm, disarm, and monitor your home from anywhere at any time. Now, let's talk about some of the key features that make this system a worthy investment. First, the entry sensors are a crucial component of any home security system. They protect your windows, doors, and even cabinets, alerting you if someone attempts to enter. You can also set up secret alerts to receive discreet notifications if someone accesses sensitive areas of your home, without triggering an audible alarm. If you're concerned about motion detection, the included motion sensors have got you covered. They can detect movement within a 35-foot radius and have a 90-degree field of view. Plus, they're pet-friendly, meaning they won't mistakenly trigger the alarm if your furry friend decides to wander around, perfect for households with pets under 60 pounds. Another impressive feature is the panic button, which allows you to trigger the alarm and call for help instantly. For those moments when you need to signal for assistance discreetly, the silent panic option is a great touch. Keep in mind, this feature requires a subscription to the 24/7 professional monitoring service, which provides an extra layer of peace of mind. Speaking of monitoring, SimpliSafe offers a fantastic option for those who want to ensure their home is watched over around the clock. With 1 month of free professional monitoring included, agents are ready to alert emergency responders when you can't. And there are no long-term contracts or hidden fees, making it a flexible choice for those seeking security without commitment. For added reliability, the base station comes with a backup battery that can last up to 24 hours, ensuring that your home stays protected even if the power goes out. Plus, it has cellular backup, which is essential if your Wi-Fi connection goes down. The SmashSafe keypad makes arming and disarming your system super convenient. You can place it anywhere in your home, and the backlit buttons ensure you always have visibility, even in low light. Finally, if you're a fan of smart home technology, you'll appreciate that the SimpliSafe system is compatible with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This means you can integrate your security system into your daily routine with ease. This product is suitable for anyone looking to enhance their home security without the hassle of complicated installation or contracts. Whether you live in an apartment, a single-family home, or have a vacation property you want to keep an eye on, the SimpliSafe 8-piece wireless home security system is designed to adapt to your needs. In practical use cases, you can easily set it up to monitor entry points when you're away from home, or keep an eye on your kids when they come home from school. It's also perfect for those who travel frequently, giving you peace of mind when you're not around. Thanks for watching. If this video